Welcome to AutoSight-G. In modern automotive engineering, planned obsolescence, in a theory, it's a business model. While new engines are designed for a 150,000-mile life cycle, an elite group refuses to die. IC Cars data confirms most cars have a near-zero chance of reaching 250,000 miles, yet some achieve double that. Today, we perform a forensic analysis of the 500,000-mile club, the engines that outlasted their own engineers. Why do these engines survive? It starts with the metallurgy gap. In the golden era, reliability was a brand's identity. Engineers utilized high nickel cast iron and forged steel internals. Today, we see thin-walled aluminum and fragile plastic components designed to save weight and cost. We are comparing honest engineering against disposable design, where durability has been sacrificed for short-term efficiency. Engine number 1. The Mercedes-Benz OM606. Often called the diesel to Jay-Z, this 3.0-liter inline-six is a masterpiece of over-engineering. Found in the W-10E class, its secret lies in a massive cast iron block and a mechanical injection system that ignores electronic failure. It doesn't just run, it endures. Records show these engines frequently surpassing 500,000 miles with zero internal repairs. Unlike modern luxury engines that use fragile plastic guides and thin chains, the OM606 utilizes a heavy-duty, dual-row steel timing chain. In our forensic teardown, we see these chains showing zero stretch even after 300,000 miles. This is zero failure design. When you remove the valve cover, the mechanical simplicity is a visual testament to why this engine outlives its owners and the chassis it powers. Engine number 2. The Toyota 1UZ-FE. Developed for the first Lexus LS400, Toyota spent over $1 billion to ensure this V8 was perfect. It wasn't built to compete with Mercedes, it was built to embarrass them. The 1UZ features 6-bolt main caps and aerospace-grade tolerances. This is the engine that famously reached 1 million miles in a single chassis, a feat unheard of in the modern era. Forensic analysis of a 1UZ FAD 400,000 miles often reveals factory honing marks still visible in the cylinders. Toyota's engineers used a specialized aluminum silicon alloy that resists heat deformation better than any modern eco engine. This is why the LS400 became the most reliable luxury sedan in history. It's a hallowed approach to engineering, delivering exactly what was promised: eternal durability. Engine number 3. The Jeep 4.0-liter straight six. This isn't a high-tech marvel, it's a tractor engine refined for the road. Its cam-in lock, overhead valve design is so simple, there is almost nothing to fail. IC Cars longevity studies frequently place the Cherokee and Wrangler among the top vehicles for potential lifespan. It's an engine that thrives on neglect, proving that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. In our investigative shop, we see Jeep 4.0 seconds with 300,000 miles that have never had the head removed. The cast iron head and block expand at the same rate, preventing the head gasket failures common in modern bimetal engines. This is honest engineering. It's a machine designed to be serviced in a driveway with basic tools, not a locked dealership computer system. Engine number 4. The Honda K24. Usually, high-revving 4-cylinders aren't known for longevity, but the K24 is the exception. Found in the Accord and CR-V, this engine combines VTEC efficiency with bulletproof foiling systems. Consumer Reports consistently rates K24-powered Hondas as the gold standard for reliability. It's proof that you can have performance without sacrificing a 300,000-mile lifespan. The K24's secret is its oversized oil pump and high-volume galleries. Even under extreme heat, critical components like the camshafts and crank bearings remain fully lubricated. Forensic inspection of high-mileage K24s shows almost zero bearing wear. This is smart engineering, using fluid dynamics to prevent mechanical friction and ensure the engine lives to see 500,000 miles. Engine number 5. The Cummins 5.9 L12-valve diesel. In the world of heavy-duty trucks, this is the holy grail of longevity. Built for industrial applications before being placed in Dodge pickups, its simplicity is legendary. No complex common rail electronics, just a mechanical P7100 pump and 6 massive cylinders. These engines frequently cross 500,000 miles without ever needing a head gasket. The common secret lies in its inline-six architecture and massive forged connecting rod. While modern V8 diesels struggle with heat management, the 5.9 liters feet-seconds spacing allows for superior cooling and lower internal stress. Owners in the million-mile club aren't outliers. They are are a testament to what happens when you prioritize torque over engineering. It is an engine that asks for nothing but clean fuel to outlive its owners. Now, we must address the scandal of plastic. Forensic teardowns of modern luxury engines reveal a disturbing trend. Critical cooling and timing components made from brittle polymers. Engineers call it cost optimization, but mechanics call it planned obsolescence. A $20 plastic coolant pipe is often the only thing standing between a healthy engine and a $15,000 catastrophic failure. In our investigative shop, we see 5-year-old German SUVs with biodegradable cooling system. High heat cycles turn these plastic connectors into glass. When they shatter, the engine loses coolant in seconds, warping the aluminum head. This isn't an accident. It's a design choice that favors initial weight reduction over long-term survival. True luxury is a metal thermostat housing that lasts 30 years. To find the truth without a tear down, we use borescope technology. By looking inside the cylinders of these 500K club engines, we see the difference. While modern eco engines show significant cylinder wall scoring at 80,000 miles, a high-mileage Toyota or Mercedes remains pristine. The crosshatch pattern, the mark of a healthy engine, is our forensic proof of superior metallurgy and honest manufacturing. Modern engines use low-tension piston rings to reduce friction and boost MPG. The hidden costs: these rings allow oil to bypass the combustion chamber, leading to carbon buildup and bore scoring. Our 500K Club Legends use traditional, robust ring designs that prioritize a perfect seal over a 1% gain in fuel economy. They chose longevity for the customer over a marketing stat for the dealership. Let's talk about lifetime fluids, the biggest lie in the industry. Manufacturers claim some transmissions are sealed for life. Forensic fluid analysis proves that after 60,000 miles, the additives are depleted and metallic silt begins to grind away the gears. The life they refer to is only the warranty period. Our Legends survived because they were designed with drain plugs, encouraging the maintenance that leads to immortality. Dealerships now push for 10,000-mile oil change intervals. While synthetic oil is better than ever, filters haven't changed much. They become saturated with contaminants long before the oil breaks down. Data from Blackstone Lab Mercury suggests that for maximum longevity, 5,000-mile intervals remain the gold standard. It's a $60 insurance policy against a $10,000 engine failure, a simple truth of car ownership. The transition from user-serviceable machines to black box electronics is designed to funnel you back to the dealer. When a simple sensor requires a $200 an hour technician to code the part, the car becomes a liability. The 500,000-mile engines we've discussed are purely mechanical at their core. They empower the owner, not the corporate service department. This is the definition of honest luxury. We return to the king of the 50K Club, the Toyota 2JZJ. While its turbo brother gets the fame, the naturally aspirated version, the true durability champion, found in the Lexus GS300. Its iron block, non-interference design is nearly indestructible without the heat stress of turbochargers. These engines regularly reach 500,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. The 2JZGE is the ultimate zero-failure machine. Its non-interference architecture means that even if the timing belt snaps, the pistons will never hit the valves. It is engineered with a safety margin that modern engines simply cannot match. This mechanical hail integrity ensures that a simple maintenance oversight doesn't lead to a catastrophic total loss of the vehicle. The secret to stopping the financial bleed is simple: stop buying depreciation. By choosing a vehicle with honest engineering that has already survived the first 100,000 miles, you are buying an asset, not a liability. Smart money in Tier 1 markets ignores the plastercraft marketing of new cars and invests in the mechanical truth of the 500,000-mile legend. At AutoSight-G, we go beyond the marketing to show you the forensic reality under the hood. If you value cars built to last, not just built to sell, then you've found your home. Join our community of owners who refuse to accept disposable engineering. Subscribe to AutoSight-G for more deep dives into automotive forensics. Drive honest, drive forever.